Hi guys, how to make garter stitch by Purl way. So this I made 2 rows by Purl way. I'll purl. This is pearl needle, pearl row. You will keep purling till the end. The garter stitch we can make two. There are two ways to make garter stitches. One is this one by purling, and I'll tell you the other one as well. So if you purl from both sides, again I will purl the whole row. I will keep purling. See, and again I will purl, and the design will come same. This is garter stitch. Garter stitch we can make on borders, like we can make necklines if you are making for baby any cardigan or a blanket or anything. The edges you can make with garter stitch. If you purl from both sides, the design will come like this, and this is called purling way of garter stitch. Keep purling from both sides. You can make belt or anything, like you can just keep it like this. You can make the whole sweater like this, or you can make scarf with this design with garter stitch. The other way is making garter stitch is only knit from the both side, but I am making with purl from the both side. Like this. See, this is called garter stitch. If you knit from both side, purl from both side, it becomes like this. See, I hope you will like my video. Please follow me, share me, and like me, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Cook with Zarina and Other Hobbies. You will find some more knitting on that YouTube channel. Thank you.